guess the thing that we've seen, and this is a very old story, but we continue to see a lot of the big companies who are coming together to try and lock up solutions that are more integrated with more of their services. And of course, we get that. But I think the key to success is still to be able to offer a solution that potentially works better with all the different technologies from across a big company like Technicolor, how those can come together, but give some flexibility into the solution so that if there is a different solution that an operator needs, or that they want to be able to take advantage of their existing investment, that they can still do that. I think for us, that's one of the things that, so far we've seen from Technicolor that is a positive thing, and we would hate to see that change in terms of the integration between anything that you might be bringing from Cisco together with Technicolor and platforms you may be working on in the future.
I think the word I have is flexibility. I think it's very important in this time, being flexible, both in terms of solutions as well in terms of commercial, in terms of relationship. We need flexibility, we need partners that understands our situation and can bond with our needs. If you can be flexible and maintain the level of products you have and speed up a little bit the time to market, I think we'll be a very, very strong partner.
It's about innovating, bringing together the most cutting-edge integrated services possible in a very cost-effective way, because no one has a lot of development resources to launch science projects that may or may not pan out. We need to make sure that they're very affordable and quick, rapid trials, and that we can then scale whatever sticks.
The expectations that we have are to be able to select partners. So the partnership is very important to us because not one company can do it all. So we see it as being able to work with multiple different companies. For example, we have requests coming in on one side, being able to choose the partners we want to choose for that particular one, and then come out with a satisfactory product for the interested group.
The closer we network and work as a team, supplier, consumer, our consumer, which is ultimately who benefits from everything, and the providers, the more likely is that Technicolor is going to be developing what's needed for the ecosystem. And I think if I were to give an advice is, we should be frank and talk about this ecosystem as a big partnership.
I think the thing I struggle a bit with is Technicolor feels like a really broad player. You cover a range, all the way from managing, looking at creation, all the way through to set-top box hardware and user interface. I'm not 100% clear where you're really focusing and what's, I don't know if you can be the best at everything, but it looks like you're trying to cover a very wide gambit, a broad range of elements. And so, what I'm not clear about is where are you best of breed, where are you, you have an offering but it's not necessarily best of breed. I'm not clear where you're really looking to differentiate and really make a difference, and where you have an offering but you don't necessarily invest the same amount. I don't know if that's clear.
A better partner for us. We may be a little unique in New Zealand. We're as the largest telco in New Zealand, we're a large fish in a very small pond. So we're really reliant on partners with global reach like Technicolor to start to develop and innovate in the market, where we can take those learnings back to a relatively small pond but lead in that pond.
Definitely you have an opportunity with the CPE, with the new CPE business. There is a stronghold, a strong position with Cogeco, so definitely you have a potential market to win, and I would say that it's up to you to keep it and grow it. So that would be the challenge that I'm giving you.